Now I'm going to just talk a couple more slides here before I turn this over to Drew to show us some examples. Everything we've talked about now are different strategies you can employ that relate back to that engagement funnel. If I think of this in terms of a crawl, walk, run approach, this slide would really represent the run, if you will. So, you know, we work with some clients today where they're reaching out to their members and iterating on those communications in real time. These are agile teams. Sometimes we're setting those agile teams up at our clients. Sometimes the teams exist already, and we're coming in and augmenting and really trying to supplement those teams to make them even more effective. When I say a team, these are folks coming from data and analytics, maybe communications, writing folks, graphic design. So a whole group that sit and work to ensure that every communication going out has a very clear defined mission and is constantly being measured in real time so that it can be iterated. And obviously this requires a lot of test and learn, right? So you may send a letter out and a phone call and an email. You're going to test what subjects make the most sense, which ones got the most engagement, which messaging got the most engagement, and then learn and iterate on each one of those. This obviously is a robust approach to being engaging and optimizing every touch point. It's very iterative, and it definitely requires experimentation. So training personnel sometimes and getting those scaled teams up and running can seem like a big task, but once they are running, it's amazing the success that they will see pretty quickly. So for example, some of the clients we've worked with who have set up these agile teams, one drove 200% activation for enrollment in the client portal by leveraging this tactic. Another saw an 80% increase in the number of consumers using the preferred pharmacy to refill.